It's 2026 and I am back. It's been many months since I've posted a video on this channel, and I just want to say that I'm excited to continue this journey with you. Thank you for subscribing, for being around. If you're seeing this video, comment down below what you want to see this year. I plan on posting some really good content. I think with YouTube, it's been a very weird journey. With Piano Pulse, it's been a weird journey. And I just want to clarify what this next chapter will look like and what I'll bring to the table. So in the past, I posted a mix of tutorials and then performance videos, but I felt like they've been redundant. I've been doing the same things over and over again, and also there are so many people doing the same exact things as me that I feel like I'm just not providing any value, any entertainment value, educational value. I want to change that. So 2026 is going to be the year where I am completely authentic. I am going to take you on my journey with piano, things that I'm learning, things that I've learned. I'm going to break them down. I think I have a very unique perspective when it comes to music and piano because I am self-taught. I also am making a full career on this. I don't do anything else. I teach piano, I play it, I make music, and that's all I do. So I realized when it comes to making tutorials on YouTube, it's very unnatural for me because at the end of the day, I'm used to having someone sit right next to me and I teach them and I see their reactions, I see what they're struggling with, and I cater that lesson, whatever I'm teaching to them, to how they'll understand it. But with YouTube, it's not like that. I'm not getting any feedback, I'm not getting any interaction with anybody. So I've decided to teach music in a totally different way on YouTube, and I'm excited to show you. I'm gonna be posting a tutorial next week. It's not in the format that I like, but I'm gonna post it anyways because at the end of the day, it's still a good video. But I'm gonna be sharing my piano journey with you, building this Piano Pulse business, this Piano Pulse idea that I have, which I'll talk about in the future videos, what my grand vision is for this and how I plan on attacking it, getting it done. It's very overwhelming, it's intense, but it is what it is. This is what my life is, and I'm putting both feet in regardless of anything, of how I feel, of what my numbers are on YouTube, and I'll just be posting, sharing, and working. If you want to fall in love with piano, or if you've already fallen in love with piano but don't know how to get into it, how to start, or you feel overwhelmed, this channel is for you because I've been there, I am there right now, I feel that intensity, I feel those emotions right now when it comes to my business and playing piano, learning piano, teaching piano. So I'm here with you. Let's do this together. 2026 will be a great year.